French are glad to die for love, they delight in fighting duels. But I prefer a man who lives and gives expensive jewels. A kiss on the hand may be quite continental, but diamonds are a girl's best friend. A kiss may be grand, but it won't pay the rental on your humble flat, or help you at the automat. Men grow cold as girls grow old, and we all lose our looks in the end. But square cut or pear shape, these rocks don't lose their shape. Diamonds are a girl's best friend. A well-conducted rendezvous makes a maiden's heart beat quicker. But when the rendezvous is through, the stones still keep their flicker. There may come a time when a lass needs a lawyer, but diamonds are a girl's best friend. There may come a time when a hard-boiled employer thinks you're awfully nice, but get that ice or else no dice. He's your guy when stocks are high, but beware when they start to descend. It's then that those louses go back to their spouses. Diamonds are a girl's best friend. I'm here to show you, diamonds are a girl's best friend.